Last time I played this etude, I was 11 years old, so it's really nice to visit an old friend, so to speak. Guys, this is not a difficult etude, but it does require some preparation. I think the hardest part here is really the intonation and really keeping an eye on, well, rather keeping an ear on the notes and make sure you really are in tune. This is a key of E flat major. Not the hard key, but not the most violin-friendly key, so to speak. So you really have to be careful with the flats and accidentals that come your way. So just be aware of that. I know some folks will be asking about the tenths. Yeah, they're a little tricky. Not terribly really hard. The biggest tip I can give you, I think, is just to make sure you move the elbow inward to help your muscles stretch to the max, so that way you can stretch and reach the highest possible note that way. So the key is elbow, really, so think about that. This etude is actually also performed on the viola quite a bit, so violists have to stretch even further, so think about that for a moment. If they can do it, so can you. Anyway, I hope you have fun with this, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.